So hey, this is my day two of coding, trading, and doing some studies. Yesterday I was perfect, but still I started, and today I will try to be more productive and complete my to-do list. It will be difficult for me because it's already 10 p.m. and I will study till 2 because I have to wake up at 6. So that will be definitely that will be difficult. Let's see. Let's go. So the task for today will be completing 5 to 10 lectures of Python playlist, learning the basic terms of trading, and completing some topics of digital electronics that includes binary logic gates and flip-flops. That's it for today. So I am done with coding and now I'm going to study some fundamentals of trading. Most probably I will be learning liquidity today. And you might be wondering that I am using some professional RGB lights, but that is not true. I'm just using these things. Like I can turn the lights to pink. So this is kind of reliable approach, and I'm loving this.
Which are better?